Hello and welcome to Our Solartown. In this video series we will explain to you how to build solar collectors as it can be done by students. This will help you to start your own Solartown project with your class. Normally we would also be in a school right now and build collectors there, but unfortunately due to the current situation this is not possible. Therefore we are here with our technician Charlie today and will build a small collector of only 2 square meters. But don't worry, the steps are all the same and Charlie assured us that everything is very easy for you too.
Hello everyone, I am Charlie and today I will explain to you step by step how to build a flat plate collector for solar thermal use by yourself in a very easy way. Here we have the square timber for the frame.
These are the absorber strips.
Here you can see the copper pipes. Some screws over there. This is the insulation material. And here up front is the solar glass plate.
In front of me we laid out all the tools required. You can normally find them in every school workshop. A detailed list of materials and tools needed can be found in the implementation guide of Our Solartown.
Thank you for watching. In the next video, building the frame of your solar thermal collector.